Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by seasoning the drumsticks and setting up a 3-bowl dredge so you can work quickly. This keeps coating consistent. First, toss drumsticks with salt, pepper, and a little garlic powder so flavor penetrates. Then organize flour, beaten eggs, and seasoned breadcrumbs in order. Once done, dredge each piece flour first, shake off excess, dip in egg, press firmly into crumbs. Make sure every surface is coated. This initial step creates the crust you want to crisp during cooking. Once all pieces are coated, press the crumbs onto the skin so they adhere and won't fall off in the oven. Using panko gives a lighter, crunchier texture. Arrange drumsticks on a wire, rack over a tray to allow hot air circulation underneath. Make sure spacing is even so moisture escapes. Lightly oil the crust with a spray or brush to promote browning, then bake at 200 degrees C. Turn each drumstick halfway through to brown both sides evenly and ensure an even, crisp crust. You finish by confirming doneness with a thermometer, 75 degrees C in the thickest part, or by checking that juices run clear. Make sure to rest the drumsticks 5 minutes so juices redistribute and the crust firms up. If the coating seems soft, broil for 1 to 2 minutes or quickly pan-sear to re-crisp, but watch closely to avoid burning. If sogginess recurs, reduce egg wash, press crumbs harder, or raise the oven to 220 degrees C next time. This fixes adhesion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.